Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PDF editor on your mobile device. We'll cover the basics of editing documents directly from your smartphone or tablet. You can easily make changes, add notes, and even sign important papers without needing a computer. It's incredibly convenient for managing your documents when you are away from your desk, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's explore the essential tools available in most mobile PDF editors. You can easily highlight key information, add sticky notes, or draw directly onto your documents. Need to fill out a form? Many apps allow you to type text into fields and even add check marks with just a few taps. These features make reviewing and interacting with your PDFs straightforward and efficient. Now, let's dive into some more advanced editing techniques. You can combine several PDF files into a single document, or conversely, split a large file into multiple smaller ones. For sensitive information, many editors offer password protection, adding an extra layer of security. You can also optimize file sizes, making them quicker to upload and share, which is very useful for larger documents. Finally, once your edits are complete, saving and sharing your PDF is simple. You can store your documents directly on your phone or tablet, or upload them to popular cloud services such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Sharing is just as easy. Send your files through email, messaging applications, or even print them wirelessly to a nearby printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.